Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Red color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, sky blue color, dark blue color, purple color, black color, dark green color, brown color, violet color. Today we'll learn some alphabets. Try to learn with me. A for avocado. B for bus. C for car. D for dress. E for ear. F for flowers. G for grapes. H for hand. I for ink. J for jam. K for king. L for lychee. M for monkey. N for nest. O for ox. P for pineapple. Q for queen. R for ring. S for school. T for tree. U for uniform. V for vanilla. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yogurt. Z for zipper. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.